ngine question la.
Yeah.
Yabo. All along la Pinari siyabonakala ngathi the entertainment industry ayibhumi ayibonakali nani yabo. So inkinga bekuyini lapho bekungithi ma artists ma creatives ukuthi siyahluleka lokuhlangana or le blame singayishiftela tuke ma higher power ukuthi kube bangasponsorishi bekude ma platform nani.
I can say that this is ngayishiftela kuphi.
No, this is voice nomanzi.
Yabona la labaphethe ngibo la Mpumalanga talent ikhona. Siyafana ne KZN yabona. Lebi ngoba thine lama resources nalethi ngokufisa impela imvele lapha sifike vele yabo akubonakala. Ngoba labaphethe bona bafuna kudla bodwanga yabona. Thine basivalele kuphi ngaphandle. Mara lama talent aphethe ngobani ngithi.
The industry. The industry. Shokusi, what she means, ukuthi, la Mpumalanga, we need the industry to be created for us. We must know which door to go to. When you want something, when you need something as an artist. And so on. So, lama houses, la caterisha for my artists, other provinces. We have to travel for that, and travel my challenges. As a woman, because if you know your rent a room in your province, you must feed yourself. They end up selling their products.
Sure. We have this bookings. Mango says you end up selling some team. Mango some cheater. You end up with a
crime. That's
ubalekile ubuyile lakhaya ubaleke benemshilo DJ yena
but I haven't a point in between. I think the blame it goes both sides. Yes, the government and us as artists, young tall. Back in the day, I'm artist used to see among artist mean I only look out for myself, I only promote me. And so among markets are online and everything is about me. But now we are changing that.
Binary
Spy Network is a platform. Yes. We uplift each other. We help each other. We see bavele abantu ukuthi babhizinani and we will market you and live our umsebenzi wethu. And so we are willing to usishiye umsebenzi wethu and focus on
you.
That post my girlfriend, my boyfriend.
Nakona
focus was post wena sikwende over and lana asigafocusanga ku art yabona mara not ngoba iart ngiyo less suitable for lineage noma wendani
business
uphakathi tini kusezwakala kusitshela ukuthi wena skin sakho size sibe nswambo so kusitshela ukuthi why skin sakho is the best why skin sakho kumele umuntu sasa makusi mina ngifuna kwakha athi ngothenga skin sabonza
why ikota yani ibe mnanzi why maship sakha be mnanzi
so lana
bizingalo
uyatsho ngalana sesikomkhulu
she's a chef too.
Yabona leto nishoko right and silana vele ngenxa yayo le because mansi ngihleti ngiyabuka ngibona ngathi mkhumba kaNoah uyawo
yangwila
kodwa zabalahlelo into letiningi kodwa zabalahlelo lokubaphethe labantu yabo abakufumbeze ngoba umuntu utelwe nento yakhe
umuntu nento yakhe
abantu sebaya ngekulahla lithemba yabo so lana silwela ukuthi Pinari Mpumalanga simzansi
sukume
sihlanganeni sibe imbumba sibenza wonke
lama talent onke
ahlangana
ngahle kade lana ipoint engilitholako ngithola ukuthi i-unity lebe ishoda. Wonke umuntu ubekayicabangela yena le side lakhe indlo lengakuhle.
And bekasaba ukuthi if umuntu oyakulona lona utotsi, if umuntu oyakulona naloyana arts.
So it's a issue of ama-ego the pride.
Exactly.
Yeah, kumloko vele. Kumloko njengami mina nje.
Yanale notes wena.
Besithe like nginayendi lutho ngisaba ukuthi expose ngiyacula ngiyabhala